got a pound of ground beef in this crock pot. Just go ahead and put that all the way on the bottom like that. Got a can of beef broth. Pour that all over. I promise guys, this is the easiest soup you'll ever make. It's gonna be so good, especially with prices right now. You're gonna want to use these kind of canned recipes. Got a can of kidney beans and a can of black beans. Those both go in there as well. I actually got the black beans that are like flavored with garlic and spices, but you can just use regular black beans if you'd like. Then I've got a can of super sweet corn, but you're gonna use the liquid. Put the liquid in there as well, like that. And you're gonna do the same with these petite diced tomatoes. Don't drain them. 2 tomatoes there. And I've got everybody's Taco Tuesday favorite, Rotel. I'm gonna put that on this side. I've got our, today's taco seasoning is brought to you by Kinder's. I like the Kinder's. It's a little bit smokier, so it's like really good for soups. But you can totally use like, you know, any kind of taco seasoning you'd like. And then adding 1 packet of ranch seasoning. That goes on top of everything as well. Starting to smell really good in here, guys. Then all you have to do is give this a good mix together. Get all the beef and the beans, those veggies. Together and get that ranch dressing kind of mixed in with all those liquids. And guess what? That is it. All you're gonna do is put a lid on this, and we're gonna set this to high for 2 hours. Wow, look at how that turned out. Such an easy way to make a filling soup. This taco soup is gonna be so good. Smells delicious. Into your bowl. Let's do a second scoop. It's kind of like a mix between a chili, a stew, and a soup. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna dress this up just a little bit. I've got some sour cream. Goes right on top. I've got some of this 4 cheese Mexican blend. You can use cheddar if you want, but I like using this kind of rustic cut cheese blend like that. Then top it with just a little bit of chopped green onions. Look at how that looks. Give it a taste test. Make sure I get some of that sour cream and the cheese in there as well. Taco Tuesday Soup Edition. Totally need to make this. Super filling and so warm.